Hi, so today I'd like to show you how to jam with yourself. This is a circle looper. You can use any looper you want. I like this circle looper because it has a drum machine in it. That's really handy. And it has a self-correcting feature so that if you're a little late in a loop, instead of having that hiccup, it gets rid of that hiccup for you because it keeps it to the drum beat. So with this looper, you make sure you're on the drum side and you pick a nice drum beat, not too fast, something you're real comfortable with. That's what I chose. I think that's section 6, beat 1, and it's around 80. And then I'm just going to play a rhythm on the low string. I'm tuned to G, G, D, G. I'm just practicing it a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to switch to the looper side. When I start the looper, it'll actually stop the drums and do a count in. And because it's a shuffle, it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you start. Or you can go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I kind of like less numbers, so that's how I look at it. And then you start. And when you want to stop, though, you have to go over to this button over here. Now, that's not a big deal if it's on the floor or if it's sitting down in front of you, but I may screw that up because I got to kind of reach around there. So anyway, starting the looper. Should give us lots to work with. And now, hopefully you can hear me, you use your blues scale. So hopefully that's going to give us lots to work with. And now what you do is use your blues scale, which I will tab out there for you, and I'll show it to you now. Basically it's 0 on the low string, 0, 3, 5. So you just use your blues scale, which I will tab out for you, and I'll just sort of illustrate a little bit of jamming and then a little bit of overdubbing. Okay, that's all there is to it. I hope you get one of these and have a lot of fun. I don't get any money for this, by the way. I'm not hooked up with Donner. I was years ago. Well, no, I've only been doing this a couple years, so it wasn't that long ago. I was hooked up with them for the Vine program for a little while, but I decided that isn't what I wanted to do. Didn't want to sell people stuff. This is a pretty good unit. You can do exactly the same thing with a regular looper. And instead of drums, what you can do is make yourself a, or find a low spot on your instrument, you know, and tap along with your riff. For that kind of thing, I would do the riff first. Then I would add the percussion on an overdub and jam with that. Have a great day. Bye.